Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to watch Life's Magical Journey. I'm Life, and this is the safe space for learning, growing, and sharing your own experiences when it comes to your spiritual journey. So as you're watching the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, we are talking all about bay leaves. As you guys know, I have a lot of video about bay leaves. I use bay leaves as a tool for manifestation. I cook with bay leaves. I drink bay leaf tea just because it's so healthy for you. And if you like tea, bay leaf tea is going to be a good way to ingest that. Okay, so if you haven't seen those videos on bay leaves, I have a playlist that is called All About Bay Leaves, where you can find out all the information I've put out so far about bay leaves. All right, I don't know if you guys seen that I recently got a coffee grinder. I got that for my bay leaves, but I did a video about the coffee grinder. I will post that link to that video as well. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to take some bay leaves and we're going to make ground bay leaf powder. All right, so sometimes when you cook with bay leaves, you want to put them in, usually I'm like picking out of my bay leaf container and just picking the bigger or the whole ones, because they're dried bay leaves and they're not going to get soft just because you've cooked them. So you have to sift them out because you don't want to swallow them. That would hurt. So sometimes you're going to find really small pieces of bay leaves, and this is what you can do with those small broken pieces. So I get a lot of questions about, can I burn broken bay leaves? Yes, you can, by the way. This is not the video for that, but yes, you can absolutely burn broken bay leaves. But in this case, we are going to grind them up and make a powder out of it to use in our beans and our soups and our salads and anything that we want to use bay leaves in, we can use this powder for that. Okay, so I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so guys, this is super simple. I mean, you're just gonna love this. Like, this is the coffee grinder that I got. It was $19.97. Like, it's really inexpensive. It's really simple to use, as you will see in just a minute. I will have a link to purchase this in the description. But yeah, this is literally all you need. So I already went ahead and sifted out some bay leaves from my container. This is my container. You guys have seen this several times before on the channel. I will link this as well. I got this off of Amazon as well a while back, and I've had it for a minute now. So that's that. I've already got those out. All right, so this is literally all you need. You do need a sifter because you'll see once they come out, they're not going to be all like finely ground. All right. So I'm just going to start dropping these in. All right, so let's get at it. So you just go. Now you do this for about 20 seconds, or it just depends. Like, I literally don't even count. I do it until I stop hearing this really crackling type of noise, and then I'll check it. If it's not, oh, it smells so good already. But then I'll check it and see where it's at and see if I can get it ground a little bit further down. Okay, so I think that might be enough. Then you pour it in your little sifter. And just sift it through. Wow, that one went really down. It went really down fine. I'm gonna do some more. So guys, that's pretty much it. I am gonna do some more because I already have like a container. I have this little container that I just, like, it was an old container. I'm like that. I save stuff like this because I know me, and so I know I'm going to use it. And so I'm going to put that powder in here to use on an everyday basis in my stuff. And so I am going to do quite a bit, but I won't bore you guys with that. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you have any questions at all, like, if you notice, I answer all my comments, so please feel comfortable letting me know any questions that you might have, and I'll do my best to answer it. Go ahead and shop for this. It's an amazing little tool, and as usual, I'll see you next time.